Juicing is one of the quickest ways that you can rebuild your immune system. And we started one of Ireland's first juice bars over 20 years ago. So we've been juicing a long time. Today we're going to give our honest feedback on the Namawell J2 and the J3 juicer. We've been using them a lot recently. We don't do that many product reviews, and the reason why we're doing one today is that we found a product that we really believe in. As Dave mentioned, we started a juice bar 20 years ago with a centrifugal juice that through that process there's heat, there's enzyme damage, there's nutrient loss, and the juice isn't that good quality. These Namawell J2 and J3 juicers are incredible. This is the Namawell J2 juicer. It's got a bigger hopper, and just to show you the hands-free. But even you might be wondering, a hopper, is a hopper not for a coffee grinder? But that's what makes this juicer. This is literally the foundation of their walk-away technology. You load it, you turn it on, you go do something else, and you come back and your juice is ready. So I put in the leafy greens, and I've gone in with some citrus fruit, and then I'm finishing with some hard vegetables. Oh, actually, I'm gonna go with some cucumber. Just literally break it so it fits in the hopper. A full hopper gives you approximately 500 ml of juice, so it really is super. I'm gonna go with one apple. A full apple! And one of the beautiful things about these juicers is there's a 15-year warranty, which very few appliance companies ever give, and that's because their product is made with such high quality. It's made to last, like it's actually got a stronger motor with more torque. So it really does work efficiently. Okay, you'll notice low RPMs, that's rev per minute, only 50 RPMs, and it's very quiet because low amount of revs means that there's low oxidation, there's very little foam created, and the quality of the juice is outstanding. Another way you can show the quality of the juice is if you look at the pulp here is so dry. Like I remember when we made our juice bar, you could literally squeeze it, take the juice and squeeze it. Yeah. Mind you, that's 20 years ago. But the pulp is really dry, which signifies most of the juice has been, or virtually all the juice has been extracted from all the produce. So just to show you here just how dry that, how literally everything went through. I didn't touch that. That is just so good, so handy. Like it might seem like a small advance, but it's a huge advance. It really does. It saves you time, hassle, and just makes the whole juicing experience much easier. The other thing that people hate with juicers is washing. This is genuinely easy to wash, just to show like how easy it is to clean. This little attachment here. So you see this little attachment here, where you just literally, you can wash every little bit of it. Like makes it so easy. Now, just to show you Nama's models, so J2 is the bigger one, which is definitely for a family juicer or someone who juices a lot. And can you get a bigger hopper? You can get a bigger hopper if you want. You know, if you want to use this almost commercially, or if you want to preload things in hoppers or whatnot. But the J3 is their latest model. It's designed for small kitchens, for apartments, for kind of city living, and for travel. It really is exact same functionality, like super quality juice, 50 revs per minute. You won't quite fit 500 ml in the hopper. You probably get about 200 ml in the hopper, but the same incredible design, 15-year warranty again, and outstanding quality juicer. We're going to show you just how you can use this to make nut milk. So we've soaked 200 grams of cashew nuts. We're going to just drain and rinse them. So just give the cashews a little rinse. We soaked those overnight. Just often there'll be a little bit of acid around the skin of the cashews. So just rinsing them means you're going to end up with a sweeter milk. So we've got 200 grams of cashews that we've soaked overnight. We're going to add them into the top of our hopper of our Namawell J3 juicer. We're going to pop in 2 dates just to make it a little bit sweeter. So they're 2 medjool dates, or whatever dates you have. Obviously you don't have to if you don't want to. We've got 400 ml of water. Pinch of salt. Oh, cool. And that's it, we just press go and it goes, yeah. There, on we go. Oh, the pulp's lovely. Wow. Wow. And in a way, the pulp here is quite like nut butter. It's like an energy bar. There you are, easy to make cashew nut. You wanna try it? Delicious, that makes nearly half a litre. Like super easy, and the pulp, you make sure to use the pulp for an energy bar or just it's perfectly crushed cashew packed with fibre. Oh, delicious. Really delicious, simple to make cashew nut milk. Yum. Works with almond as well, works with walnut or whatever type of nut you like. So just add a little bit of sweetener if you want, or you could add some cinnamon. Energy ball. Energy ball. Milk and cookies. Milk and cookies, there you are. Yeah, so juicing's been something that's been part of our life for 30 years. Our mom did it when we were kids. For us, that was a centrifugal juicer. It wasn't a high quality juicer. Whereas these are honestly the market leading juicer. They are just outstanding in terms of the quality, their integrity in terms of a 15-year warranty. They're a small family business that are all about helping support you to eat more plants, which I think is so, so important. They've got more than 7,000 positive product reviews on their website. They really are.
Dan, their founders, is super cool.
Yeah, it really, really is. Their J3 juicer is designed for small apartment living that it leaves on your counter, for people juicing by themselves as individuals, and for wellness shots. It's a really practical. It's also travel. We're going to Greece now tomorrow, and we're going to bring our J3 juicer with us and find lots of wild plants there in Greece, which we're going to juice through our J3 juicer. The J2 is definitely, it's a family juicer. It's a really practical, high-powered juicer, 15-year warranty again, that honestly makes the best quality juice we've come across.
It's really easy to use and easy to clean, which I think are one of the fundamentals to continuing to juice in continuum.
And the biggest thing that these juicers give you is time. They give you back time. And the thing which typically stops you from juicing is that, oh, I just can't be bothered. Whereas the juicer does the work here. You literally load it in the hopper, you go do your thing, and you come back and you've got half a litre of juice made for you. So it's so practical and such a great tool with which to stay healthy.
We've partnered with Nama. We think they're incredible. They're such a cool company. You'll have seen their packaging is beautiful. It's like there's no styrofoam. They are committed to recycling. And they're also committed to beauty, which just makes it
this beautiful blend. Like they're one of the slickest juices you'll see on the market. It's like we honestly sought them out because they're such a quality product that we've partnered with them. We're ambassadors for them. You can get 10% off with the code HAPPYNAMA. Just use the code HAPPYNAMA at checkout. There's details down below in the description, and that gets you 10% off. So if you're based in the US, it gets you $55 off.
We love Nama juices. The J2 and the J3 are incredible. Comment down below and let us know what's your favorite juice to make. Thanks a mil for watching, and keep eating your vegetables.
Cheers!